Morning everybody. Today we're in the Brecon Beacons and we're going to do the world famous Brecon Beacons Waterfall walk. And we're starting here at Diners Rock. It's 11 miles, about 6 hours. It's about a mile walk to the first waterfall. Let's crack on. So it's about a mile to our first waterfall through all this forestry land. So we're about 20 minutes away. That's the name of our first waterfall, Scud y Era. Okay, we're approaching our first waterfall. Very slippery, very dangerous. This is going to be epic because we're going to walk behind it and get absolutely soaked. Epic. I got absolutely drenched. I've also lost the microphone, so I'm going to have to shout. Anyway, on to waterfall number 2. Waterfall number 2. Waterfall number 3. Apparently the footpath is closed. Okay, so the footpath up the side of the waterfall number 3 was closed, which was a bit disappointing. So that meant we could only get to the bottom of it. Never mind, onwards we go. Waterfall number 4. So that's the 4 waterfalls in the first river valley done, and now we're going up and crossing over into another river valley and hopefully find another set of waterfalls. Well, we're halfway round. Now it's time for a spot of lunch. When I first did this walk 30 years ago, it was still a very wild place. You needed a map and compass to find some of the waterfalls, but it's all changed. Now it's all manicured footpaths, everything's signposted, and it's like Piccadilly Circus in the rush hour. It's still a brilliant walk, but it's just lost a little bit of its magic. We're in River Valley number 2. Let's find some more waterfalls. Waterfall number 5. Waterfall number 6. Coming up to waterfall number 7. Waterfall number 7. Brilliant walk. Waterfall number 8. Okay, we're coming up to waterfall number 9, which is Scud Gladys. This is the last waterfall on our walk today, and it's also my favourite. Waterfall Number 9. That's the end of our walk for today. Brilliant waterfalls. Just a little bit too busy for my liking. Only 3 miles back to the bus stop. Thanks for watching.